Hello, I'm Justin Gallagher, Associate Publisher of the American Journal of Managed Care. Welcome to This Week in Managed Care from the Managed Markets News Network. This week, Martin Shkreli, the young CEO of Turing Pharmaceuticals, made famous when he raised the price of Daraprim from $13.50 to $750 a pill overnight, was arrested for fraud. According to a report in the New York Times, the arrest is tied to Shkreli's earlier stint as a hedge fund manager, not to his time in the pharma sector. Read updates on ajmc.com as this story develops. Drug costs continue to take up a larger share of healthcare spending, both from a national perspective and for individual patients, according to research released this week by the Kaiser Family Foundation. One reason prescription drug costs feel so expensive at the household level is that increased cost sharing has coincided with expensive new drugs hitting the market, according to the report. The year 2014 brought several new expensive specialty drugs after an extended period in which health plans benefited from the end of patent protection for several popular drugs. Drug costs took up 11.4% of all healthcare spending in 2014 and 9.6% in 2015, the report said. In the current issue of Evidence-Based Oncology, three leading healthcare experts offer a blueprint for reforming the 340B prescription drug program, which has come under fire this year for going beyond its original purpose of helping safety net hospitals serve the poor. Critics say too many hospitals are using 340B as a profit center and driving up drug prices overall at the expense of Medicare and community oncology practices. One of the authors of the article, Dr. Michael Colleget of Aetna, recently told AJMC how the Health Resources Services Administration, also known as HRSA, should take the lead in reforming 340B.
The federal government, it's a federal government program, so HRSA is going to take the lead. I think Medicare should be very, very interested in this. Right now, I think they have a lot to gain by this. I think we should also make sure that we engage the disproportionate share clinics and the institutions that really need this to make sure that they're not going to somehow get shortchanged by whatever reform gets instituted. And then I think patients actually should be asked about this. The only wrong answer, in my opinion, is to leave the system as it is. I think any of those three would be a step in the right direction.
For the full commentary, visit ajmc.com. Finally, registration is now open for patient-centered diabetes care, our multi-stakeholder meeting that brings together providers, payers, and other leaders to share ideas in managing this chronic condition. We'll be gathering this year outside New York City in Teaneck, New Jersey, with new sessions on obesity and managing diabetes through telehealth. To register, visit ajmc.com. For everyone at the Managed Markets News Network, I'm Justin Gallagher. Thanks for joining us.